the way we cook turkey in restaurants. We make turkey in pieces, whole pieces of breast. So I ordered 2, they run about 2 pounds, boneless turkey breasts. So this is all white meat, and this will feed up to 8 people. I put them in a giant cast iron skillet with just salt and pepper. That's all I've done. We've got the oven getting nice and hot to 375. So I've got some melted butter, and I literally just put in equal amounts, about 1/4 cup each, of grainy mustard and an upstate New York girl's best buddy, maple syrup. An enormous amount of rosemary, another good friend of poultry. Everybody's in the hot tub, and you mix that all up together, and this becomes your maple mustard butter glaze. So I'm gonna put a little of that turkey stock in the bottom of our big old cast iron skillet. I'm gonna pour the glaze over the top, and then about halfway through, in about a half an hour, we're gonna baste this sucker. Goldie, can you close this for me? Wow, that's heavy. Okay, birds away. Here's the 2 turkey breasts, just carve them up. Throw a little fruit, whatever you got in the drawer around it, make it look pretty. And I have brought up to a boil from cold water, put a lid on it, 1 potato per person. We're gonna make some smashed garlic boursin cheese mashed potatoes. I also put in a lot of crushed garlic. Smush the garlic, throw it right in with the potatoes, and we'll grind it all up together. So we're gonna drain our potatoes and put them back into the hot pot. Then we're gonna transfer the potatoes to the food mill. That's the doohickey you put on top of the pot to grind up all the potatoes. Then you put the doohickey up on top of the pot. The figure-friendly version of this, you can make exactly the same dish with cauliflower. It's a fabulous alternative side dish to mashed potato. We're gonna add a little melted butter, some lemon zest. It's already got garlic in it. Any chopped fresh herbs you like. I'm gonna go for chives and garlic in mine because my secret ingredient in my herb mashed potatoes, take a little bit of help from the store. This is boursin, garlic and chives soft cheese. Yum. Boop, the whole sucker goes in there. And that's it. Stir this together. Add a little milk to make them as creamy as you like. There's our mashed potatoes with the boursin cheese. So guys, for our 60-minute Thanksgiving, I'm doing the easiest side dish, kind of like ever probably. I just put some garlic and shallots in a skillet. The thinner you slice them or the finer you chop them, the quicker they cook, like literally 2 minutes. Add any dried fruit you like, and they'll plump while you're cooking up your greens. We're making greens with fruit and nuts. Toast up any nuts you like. My mom even likes this dish with smoked almonds, like the diamond in the can, you know?
Yum.
Some chopped smoked almonds are tasty. I toasted up some hazelnuts. I'm crazy for hazelnuts. So we just toast up the nuts a couple minutes. All the ovens are hot. Just throw them in the oven till you can smell them, and that's it. And then you just wilt in a bunch of greens. I have spinach and I have kale. Wilt it into the pan, salt, pepper, nutmeg, add the nuts, done. I'm going to wilt these greens down. As they wilt down, we can fit more and more into the pan. I just added the nutmeg, salt, pepper. We'll add the nuts last second, and we're gonna finish with a little acidity, some vinegar right after this. Okay guys, so as I said, once you get all your greens wilted into the pan, you just finish with a splash of sherry vinegar. I use my balsamic drizzle on this. Literally, it's done in less than 5 minutes, and then you top that with the toasted hazelnuts. There's the nuts that go up on the greens.